Hello, I'm Father Tim Burney, pastor here at St. Francis Cabrini. As you will see, we have a lot of pride in our classes, our programs, and most especially our people. Catholic schools have a long and rich history of going beyond the role of just a school. We have a philosophy of educating the mind, body, and spirit that goes beyond simply words in a textbook, taught by people in front of a classroom. Our patron saint, Mother Cabrini, was very fond of the quote from Philippians, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." At Cabrini, we transformed this quote into an empowering philosophy embodied by every student and is accentuated through our dynamic campus ministry program. The cross represents our faith, and it is at the center of everything we do here. As students grow, the education of the Spirit is what separates us from other schools. Students leave here with a foundation formed in our classes, on our teams, and in our church that puts them in the best position to find success in life. 60 years of alumni, many still engaged in our community, value the education they took away from Cabrini and the bonds formed with friends and classmates. So I thank you for taking the time to learn more about our wonderful school and the opportunities contained within. From the people that make Cabrini the shining example of what Catholic education in the Downriver can be all about. Speaking of engaged alumni, I turn it over now to our principal, Cabrini class of 19-something, Mrs. Donna Sweeney.
These challenging times are unlike anything the world has ever known. Hello, I'm Donna Sweeney, principal here at Cabrini High School. Life will resume with some level of normalcy very soon, and we are ready and waiting for that return. Being at the forefront of technology when schools closed, our staff made a seamless transition to distance education model and have not missed a beat. They continuously work diligently with our students to prepare them for their next step, whether it be graduation in college or simply advancing a year and another step closer to that milestone. While we would love to have you walk these halls and interact with our teachers and administrators, we know that it is not possible right now, so we thought we would bring some of our team to you.
The education of our students goes well beyond the classical basics of reading, writing, and arithmetic. I am Grace DeVore, Cabrini High School counselor, and as Father Tim said, we believe strongly in the education of the mind, body, and spirit. Knowing that every student is an individual with different wants and needs, I work with each student to map out the best individual plan to achieve their goals and find their success. This student's success is more than simply a goal. It is the foundational philosophy we are built on. So I interact with our teachers to ensure that our students stay on track.
Hello, I'm Kelly Muscat from the Science Department. Whether it is chemistry, biology, or any variety of lab sciences that take place right here around these lab tables every day, fostering a passion in our students is what drives us. And while I may be partial to physical science, I want to introduce Mr. J, who prefers physical education.
Thanks, Ms. Muscat. I am Josh Jablonski, or as my students would say, Mr. J. As the PE teacher, I have the opportunity to teach all the incoming freshmen. My favorite part of my job is getting to know the students, whether it's here in the gym, in the health room, in the weight room, or even the hallways is so much fun. Watching these kids grow and mature over the 4 years here at Cabrini is truly amazing.
In addition to Mrs. Muscat and Mr. J, every faculty member on our accredited staff shares in that caring determination to make sure that every student reaches their fullest potential.
Hi, I'm Steve Dolan, Athletic Director at Cabrini High School. You know, there's more to education than just academics. There's also education of the body. Here at Cabrini, we offer 24 sports for both boys and girls. And on those teams, we try to foster a mentality of good sportsmanship, perseverance, and character. Now, not all kids are going to make the team. Not all kids are going to be successful. But through their endeavors on these teams, we'll make them a better citizen and a better person going forward. When I was the Assistant Chief of Police in Detroit, we attacked everything with the team mentality. And that's how we do it here. We have coaches both young and old who have been here for a long time trying to build a monarch pride. We're hoping you also come here and help us to build a monarch pride. With that being said, turn you over to Lisa Hughes.
Hi, as Steve mentioned, I'm Lisa Hughes, the Admissions Director here at Cabrini. It is truly my pleasure to be the first person you encounter to begin your journey here at Cabrini and to follow along with all of our students and families throughout their 4 years here and beyond. Now that you've seen just a glimpse of what we have to offer, the next step is getting you more information and to begin the enrollment process. My contact information is on our website at cabriniParish.org/high school or simply by emailing me at lhughes@cabrinicatholicschools.com. We have many options available to prove that Cabrini is your best choice in education, and I am happy to work with each family individually to explore these options. The cost of tuition can sometimes be a burden for any family, but we have many different tuition assistance programs to ease that burden, so please call so we can discuss those options as well. These are times unlike any we have seen before, and while they may limit our ability to offer hands-on research into our advantages, events like open houses and shadow programs, which have been placed on hold, hopefully this few minutes at least captures the spirit of our staff, which they impart on our students. Thank you once again for the time and interest, and I look forward to visiting in order to welcome you as the Cabrini Monarch.